Okay, so my name is Sam Champness with Current Solar Structures. We're from Bakersfield, California, a subsidiary of Current Steel Fabrication. What we do mainly is carports, Tier 1 carports, and ground mounts. We also do epoxy coated piles for those ground mounts. Everything that we do is a Tier 1 product, as well as what you see behind me. We do a lot of accessories and customizations to our carports. So for our carport, we have the single cantilever, which is what we have behind me. We also have the double cantilever, and then we customize as far as spans. We can do anything up to 26-foot spans. Like you see here, our erection is 3 to 5 days. We've actually been able to go underneath that, but we use jack stands to put our structures up. Installation is great, very simple, very straightforward. If you want to get more info from us, you can reach us at currentsolarstructures.com. And thanks for watching.